Okay, hi everyone. Today I will show you how to insert a PDF file to Excel. First you come to Insert tab, and then you click to Text here, and you choose the object. At here you choose the Create from File tab, and you define the PDF file that you want to insert to this Excel from. For example, here. And you should click to display as icon. At here, the PDF file will be inserted to Excel, and you can send to everyone to open it. Oh, my part too late, so this wait a moment. Here, when we send this file, this Excel file to another, mm, they will duplicate to this icon, and the PDF file will be open. For example, duplicate. Yes, in my file.